Definition of the word.
Nature.
Noun.
The natural world. That which consists of all things unaffected by or predating human technology, production, and design.
Example.
Nature never lies, i.e. tells untruths. Tectonic activity is part of nature, so there's no way to stop earthquakes. The innate characteristics of a thing. What something will tend by its own constitution, to be or do. Distinct from what might be expected or intended. The summary of everything that has to do with biological, chemical and physical states and events in the physical universe. Conformity to that which is natural, as distinguished from that which is artificial, or forced, or remote from actual experience. Kind, sort, character, quality.
Example.
It's not in my nature to steal. Physical constitution or existence, the vital powers, the natural life. Natural affection or reverence.
Nature. Nature.
Nature. Nature.
Nature. Nature.
Nature. Nature.